go. We're going up. Okay. Oh, it's dark. What is this? A big thing. Oh no. We're turning. Wait. There we go. What?
See you on the Gold Coast. It's back holding tight. Make sure to smile between the 2 weeks out there, guys. And we'll see you soon.
You ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh.
I'm not.
Oh.
Oh, we're rolling.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
We are on one of the tallest drop towers in the world.
Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy.
This is ridiculous. Oh my god.
I don't like how we can't see how high we are because there's like a big blocker right now. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified right now. We're like, what, like a third of the way there?
You might hear me make some sounds that I've never made before right now. Oh my god. Yo, why are we still going up?
Oh, we're up here.
Okay.
This is
all right, guys,
very tall. Oh my gosh. You scared, bro? Come on.
Yes, I'm
Are
scared.
you scared?
Yes.
Oh, I'm
my
scared
God.
now. That was.
How do you know when it's gonna drop?
I know Riley said something to the worker.
How do you know when it's gonna drop?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't like sitting up here.
Oh my God.
I really don't like sitting up here.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, please, just drop.
Oh my God,
Just
no, no,
drop,
no.
please.
Yo, this drop us already. Drop us already.
I can feel it
Oh,
swaying.
it's still going up?
I can't
I
tell.
think it's still going up.
I can't tell.
Oh my God.
Yo, this is so...
I don't like this. Let me out. I don't like it.
No.
Oh my God.
No. No.
Oh, look at that roller coaster down there.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, no.
Oh. My ears popping. Oh. King Claw, the king of claws. Let's see your king claws. Can you see? Show me your. Oh.
Hey.
Oh shit. Come on. He's just clip farming.
Beat this thing up.
Well, the lap bar is actually insane though. We're not even up there yet. We're not even at the top. We're not even at the top. Look at the view. The bottom is so intense. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Easy, good hands on this one, guys.
I can't do that again. I'm one and done. I'm done for today.
Nah, bro. This is just the start. Oh. Yo. Oh. Yeah. Oh. We go again? I thought it was only two.
Alright everyone, heads back, hold on nice and tight, get ready. You guys are taking on the Taipan in 3, 2, 1.
Head cycling on tight, take the Steel Taipan.